Smart Student Management and Reporting Tool is a web based system that allows you to automate all the day to day school activities around students while ensuring seamless communication system between the schools, teachers, principal, students and parents. Smart provides login IDs for students, teachers, parents and school admin. To start a demo, click on Start Demo, enter the login IDs. Admin login IDs helps to see the details available for the school. The school admin has all the authorities to add, edit, delete and provide access to different login IDs like students, teachers and parents. This is a smart school dashboard. It shows all the modules available for a school. Firstly, school setup. School setups helps you to create a school structure starting from calendars, grade levels, schedules and school subjects. Calendars. Schools can create school academic calendars, which helps to communicate the day-to-day events happening in schools to parents, teachers, admins. Then we have grade levels. To view grade levels, click on grade level info, or to add grade levels, click on add grade levels. Then we have schedule managers. To create a schedule, click on add schedule, or to view a already created schedule, click on view schedule. Once you click on view schedule, select the particular grade level for which you need to see the schedule. Then we have viewer. Viewer helps you to differentiate the school session in particular segments. Like a school can uh, divide in different semester wise, midterm wise or unit wise, so that for that particular semester the data would be visible, or once the semester is over the next semester's data would be available. Then we have period scheduler. Period scheduler, we have structure manager. Structure manager helps to create structures for different classes. Like smaller group age have different timings than for higher grade levels. So a structures helps to create periods for that particular standards. Like for structure 1, on Monday we have created a structure in which period, short name, starting time, end time, attendance, ignore for scheduling are available. Then we have portal notes. Portal note is another medium for communications. Any major things which the school wants to communicate to parents, teachers or either students can add a portal notes using add notes and can view all the portal notes using view notes. Then we have school info. School info provides the school info like school name, address, principal name, email ID, website, contact number. To add a school, click on add school, or to view the school, click on view school. Then we have subject manager. In this you can associate all the subject also allotted to particular standards. Like for 1A, what all subjects are available according to school's curricular activities. Then we have students. In this, the students' data would be automated, like their name, first name, last name, their student ID, alternate ID, grade levels, school calendars, their date of birth, date of admissions, their phone numbers, their username, their passwords, enrollment information, and their parents' address, their parents' details, and address as well. So that on a single click, all the data of students would be available to the school admin. To add a new user, click on Add User, fill all the forms, select the particular schools and save. Automatically, a profile would be created for that particular user. Then we have attendance. Schools can communicate attendance of particular student to their parents. Once you click on attendance, you will see take attendance. Using take attendance, a teacher can take attendance of his class subject wise or period wise. Then we have attendance chart. In attendance chart, all the data of the attendance would be visible day wise, period wise. In this, you just need to select the from date to date and particular period for which you need to see the attendance, and you would get a list of the detail. The exams conducted in schools, a report card can be generated of it so that parents can log in into their own account and can check their child's progress report or breakdown report. And the school also can create an online examinations subject wise, class wise. Examination manager helps to create a structure of examinations like category examination, associate exam with the particular category, and then assign subject to it. Then we have marksheet manager. Marksheet manager helps to add marks and to view the mark sheets of particular students available, like for particular standard or for which particular students you want to see the mark sheet. Select the particular student and the mark sheet would be available. Then we have multi-choice questions. To add a multi-choice question, click on multi-choice add, and to see the multi-choice questions available, click on multi-choice info, so that you would get a list of all the questionnaires which are being created by the teachers. Then we have report manager. Report manager helps to create report. Once the marks are filled by the teachers, then we can generate the reports for all grade levels. To generate the report, click on generate report. For which particular exams you need to generate the report, select that. Exam category would be visible and create the reports. Once you create the report, it would be visible to parents and students in their particular login IDs. Then we have e-learning. In this, schools can upload data or content for students to view at their home. Once the teacher uploads its data, class wise, subject wise, a student can go at home and can view the details, log in into his own account. The videos can be uploaded into a video format, of a PDF format, or a voice format. To add a lesson, click on Add Lesson, or to view a lesson, click on View Lesson, which will show you a list of all the lessons added previously. Then we have surveys. A school can conduct surveys through which they can get a consent from parents or can get a feedback from parents. To see the surveys which have been created, click on Survey Info, or to add a survey, click on Add Survey. Then we have notifications. Notifications are basically the communication tool which helps schools to send a data on the submit button. He would get a temporary ID through which he can log in into his account and can check his status. Non-repetition of manual work. All the users' data, students' data, parents' data would be automated and reflected in new session on a single click. Thank you.